Understanding the phrase, scream out in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we are going to uncover the meaning behind the phrase, scream out. This is a phrase you might have heard in movies, songs, or in everyday conversation. It's a powerful expression, and understanding it can really help you grasp the emotional context in which it's used. So, let's get into it and find out when and how to use scream out. The phrase, scream out, can be used literally or figuratively, and it's important to distinguish between the two. To scream out literally means to yell or shout something loudly. It is what you do when you need to express something urgently and powerfully, often because you are in distress, excited, or need to be heard over a distance or noise. For example, if someone is trapped after a building collapse, they might scream out for help. Figuratively, scream out can mean to demand attention or action very strongly. It's often used to describe a situation or need that is very obvious or cannot be ignored. For instance, if we say, "The injustice in the system screams out for reform," we mean that the need for change is so clear it's as if the situation itself is yelling for attention. Let's look at how to incorporate scream out into various sentences. Literal sense, after the accident, he screamed out in pain. Figurative sense, her fantastic performance screamed out for a standing ovation. Remember, when using scream out in a sentence, the context should make it clear whether you're using it in a literal or figurative sense. It's also good to note that scream out is different from simply screaming. When someone screams, they may be reacting spontaneously and emotionally. But to scream out, something often implies intention and a specific message or desire to be heard. And that wraps up our lesson on the phrase, scream out. I hope this video has made the meaning clear and that you can now use it with confidence in your spoken and written English. Remember, learning a language is all about understanding the little nuances that make it rich and expressive. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.